Undercover, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane. Ain't about the trade, have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, undercover, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter Gang. Bitcoin is ripping 70,000. We just hit 70,000. Oh my God. Is it going to rip on a holiday? Of course it is. And then it's going to break all of our feelings. Oh man, Bitcoin, don't do it to us. Don't pull our heartstrings like this. What's going on, everybody? Let's jump into the charts. What's going on, gang? Oh man, we're ripping. What's going on, everybody? Happy Monday. Let me get this stream thing set up. Oh man. We're ripping. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. What's going on, everybody? JDM, Bearded, Steve-O, Bond, Hefe, Kuba, Kodiak. Into our sell wall right now. Golden pocket, order block, volume resistance. Oh man. No market open today. Nasdaq's trading like our US 100. Our Nasdaq is right. We don't have SPY today, so it should be choppy poppy, manipulated. Not always the best time to trade, but hey, we're here. We're here, man. We're here, ready to trade. If it does wanna, if it wants to present itself. What's going on, Trace? Good to see you, Mob. Misanthropic. Good morning, everybody. Shrian, Frost Dog, Legend Morning. Let's go. You. What's going on, man? The gang's in here, Shrian. See some otters in the chat, man. It's been a while. Otters in the chat. Good to see you. Thank you for being here, Louis Ramos, Steve Hickey, the man, the myth, the legend. How's it going? Looks like Solana's getting a little push out of here, too. 1 hour order block. I don't know. We'll see. This is very ugly, right? It's not so much the pushes, right? It's not about the pushes. It's about the chop. It's about this part, right? It's not really about. It's nice to see a push, right? But if you're not long from down here, you're very late to the party, right? This is definitely where I'd be looking for a short, though. We look for a swing high to swing low. Yeah, order block, volume retest, but hey, who knows? Maybe China's buying or something. China, You never know. That's why we show up every day. Is Alex and his gang top traders? Nah, man. We just talk shit and we just talk smack, bro. That's it. We're just here to talk smack. Ask you to hit like buttons. Draw little fluffy pictures on the chart. And welcome. Welcome to the gang, man. Built on traders helping traders. That's it, man. That's it. Taking trades, living off the money from our trades, showing the trades, showing the wins, showing the losses, trying to make crypto honest again. So welcome. What's going on, Rudy? Django, how you doing, Django? Good to see you, man. Terry, Charles. Anybody in the long? Good morning and 1. Let's go, Terry. Good job, bro. 2, 3, 1 long, Jay. Curtis Hill, my man. Good morning. What's going on, Curtis? Have you had a browse around the Discord yet, man? Have you gone for a deep dive or what? What are you doing? What are you up to in that Discord? You got a month, Curtis Hill. You better get at it, man. Get through all 150 videos. Invest in your future. Become a Otter Gang super duper pooper trader. Anthropic, Mob the Great. Good to see you, genius. What's going on? Big Al. Big Al. That's kind of like, it's kind of like a big joke. I don't think I've ever been Big Al. I don't think I ever will be Big Al. Mini Al. Oh, man. Okay. Rejection. We'll see here. The buyer's stepping up right now on CVD. It's looking good. It's stair-stepping, right? Stair-stepping its way up. It's just kind of following this CVD. How's everybody's weekend? Did you touch some grass, touch some ass? Misanthropic, MHS, Frost Dog, Curtis Hill, Eero. What's going on, man? Good to see you. Mind mates, Goku's in here. Guys, be careful. Kamehameha, man. Kamehameha. Long since Fear and Greed 5. Okay. I mean, that's the lowest it's ever been, right? I think I heard that somewhere. I don't know. Fear and Greed. Geo calls it the FAG index. Fear and Greed. FAG, right? I thought that was creative. I mean, best gang out there trading. That's the one, man. We're going to go straight into the Discord after this, too, guys. It's a family day, so I'm going to get my... I don't have to teach in my other community today, so we're going to go straight into the Discord after the live stream here today and get into it that way as well. Okay. What's up with that voice? My kid's sleeping. He's been teething, right? My kid's sleeping, so we're trying to keep it down right now. I mean, we have a 3-bedroom condo. We're looking to buy a house this year, but the back wall is my son's wall, so I'm trying not to disturb the peace and let my wife and son have a little bit more time to sleep. You know, it's family day, guys. So I should not be working today, but you know, that's irrelevant. I show up. Sun shining, birds chirping, all that good stuff, you know. We ready. It's, you know, I'm up at 4 a.m. ready to work every day. That is the key. Show up for yourself. And that's it. Last day for the pink box code. Hopefully you had a good Valentine's. Melissa, did you have a Valentine this weekend? Chantel, good to see you as well. Did you have a Valentine as well? Guys, let's put some roses in for the ladies here. Do we got roses? Oh yeah, we do. Let's do some roses for the ladies, man. 'Cause I got my wife roses. Cause you know, old school, man. Be a gentleman. Don't be such a wanker. You know. Chivalry ain't dead, mofos. Chivalry ain't dead. I got some with the voice. Well, I explained that. No diggity, what's going on, man? Good to see you. See Ben, user. I'm a new trader. I am long here. You're long here. Sell wall right here. So I don't know if I would have longed that. I would have shorted here. But we're kind of waiting right now. Retest the previous lows. Order block retest continuation up. Possible long opportunity here though. If you do get a little bouncy bounce. 8-minute order block. Just imbalance down below, not Solana 1 hour order block. Retest to previous highs, continuation up possibility here. I don't like the doji engulfing up top here into our sell wall. This is bearish. Doji engulfing here, guys. No trades this morning, just waiting. Thank you everybody for being here, taking the trades, showing the trades. Making crypto honest again is our job. That's the whole goal here. Every single day, come here, take the trades, show you the trades, look, see what we're looking for, see what you're looking for. Hopefully we can slay the market together. All I know is the gang has been printing. Lots of setups. Longs given, shorts given. What's going on, Guy? Good to see you, man. How you doing? How was your weekend? Steve Guff, good to see you. Anywho, good morning. Mr. Crypto Don, long since fear and greed. Let's go. Let's go. Magic Mike, how you doing, bro? Thank you for always showing up. He's short on silver, guys. There's some flowers in the chat. V Monitor, God bless you, bro. How you doing, man? Not best escorting because of all the shit talking. I mean, you gotta have fun, right? I mean, we have 8 traders, great setups, signals, you name it. It's incredible, but trading's stressful, so we like to talk smack, especially when people draw Adam and Eve patterns and stuff like that. Or, I mean, Adam and Steve patterns, right? JDM. Andrew Cameron, how's the baby doing, man? Isaac, Duality, Maria, what's going on, Rich? Good to see you as well. Market is closed today, yes. Market is closed today. We do have the Nas trading, but I mean, is it trading? It's sideways. But no S&P, no, yeah. So it's It's today. It's today. If this works and we just tapped my sell wall, I'm going to be pissed. But that's typically how it goes, right? Oh, my son's up, so I can talk normally now. Awesome, I can hear him. What's going on, Piper? Good to see you, bro. Isn't it President's Day in America? In America, is it President's Day? Pippin short? Pippin short about to play out. Who gave the Pippin short? Was that... I don't know, man. Some good setups lately. Yeah, if you're not on the Discord, I mean, FJ's been printing. FJ's been printing for everybody. That's been wild. HRJ giving a whole bunch of signals. Even XRP, my God. He's even trading the XRP TradeFly TA. I mean, it is non-stop in here. I try to keep up, but... Uh-oh. King Solomon thinks we're going to dump. We're in trouble, guys. Uh-oh, we're in trouble. What's going on, JR? Good to see you, bro. Fellow Canuck. You ever do... Hey, JR, have you ever done schneef off a cow's teat? If you guys haven't watched Letterkenny, I don't know, man. My wife knew the writer of Letterkenny, the person who write the scripts and stuff. Just Steve, good to see you, Al. Banana Republic. Hella divergences, yeah. I mean, ideally right now, guys, so where we're at, what we're looking for, right? A nice little push here, coming into resistance, breaking out of this consolidation here. We were looking a little bit lower in the Discord. This is our golden pocket retracement area. Oopsie. Right, so literally just concerned about, probably breaking down here. However, a nice push back out, consolidating at the range. 3 drives, bear divs. If we get SFP here, we're going back down. 72 is the target. Liquidity at the highs all the way over here. Okay. Keeping it simple, guys. Scalping the range. Taking the trades. Helping you guys navigate the charts on a daily basis. That's what we're about. The issue right now, too, is we have a structure break. So we have higher, high, higher, low, right? But we do have, this break. So the thing is if you're on like a 4-hour, this is your next low. It's not really there's not really a significant low within this stretch in here. So higher term time frames still have expectational order flow for a target up here, right? ABC, maybe it's corrective. Okay, we had your 5 wave down here. I ain't no Elliott wave theorist, but we'll see. We got a couple levels to get above. Locally, though, we're range bound into a very choppy, boring, non-market open trading today. So just preparing everybody. We'll do some lessons today, too, in the Discord, hopefully. And we'll go right into the Discord at 10:15. Are you streaming today, Piper? I stream every day, yeah. 8 a.m. till 10:15 Eastern Standard Time. We got 200 viewers, but only 43 people liked what they're watching. Yeah, I don't know, Rich. I guess sometimes I come off as not likable. I mean, and that's okay. No Valentine. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Melissa. Duality, Doru, good to see you. Bond. This looks like we're rolling over here. You got momentum, but I feel like we're splitting hairs if we get into, oh my God, we got momentum. It's kind of like you're asking for it. See if we hold this. Otherwise, the short was the play. Taking it sweet ass time here. Banana, what's going on? I sold my BTC over the summer. Nice, man. Hey, man, good rotation then, Banana. Good rotation. Piper's streaming today. Awesome, V-Monitor. Good to hear. Good to hear. JR. What up, Official Dudek? Crypto changed me. I would agree, man. I would agree. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. So let's jump into this a little bit more. What are we seeing? What are we looking for? How we're looking to get there? Well, we do have a 4-hour, 2-hour trigger wave here trying to push out. When we jump onto the higher term time frames, we're in like some consolidation. Here, you're going to have all those flag drawers out here. You're going to have these guys out there. You're going to have this guy out here. I mean, the thing is where's the liquidity, right? Can we consolidate range bound here? Absolutely. The thing is that we have bottomed bullish divergence at the lows. Okay, long given in the Discord from here. So some people are still long here. By Wave Cypher, who got out, he got shook out, which is, I think, is funny because, he's one of the traders and he doesn't normally get shook out, but he did. So 1, 2, 3 pattern called in here. Looking to come for the liquidity in here. These guys aren't safe. Like, this is what you must understand is like, if we have dumped this aggressively, right? You think they're gonna let these guys enjoy something like this? No, right? You needed to have high conviction in here to short down here, right? Not to say that we won't see another couple legs down. It's very possible, right? But there's no free rides in crypto, in my opinion. So, my opinion, we have to come for the liquidity at 72. How are we gonna get there? I don't know. Right? Can we come here and then go? Right? Fake everyone out and then dump it on their heads. That would be the greatest one, right? Right there. That would be cool. Everybody drawing the wedgie pattern. Yada, yada, yada. Guys, why didn't we short the sell wall, man? Why didn't we short it? Look at my support and resistance level. It doesn't get much better than that, guys. Damn, Daniel. You know, when I find like when I'm streaming, I'm missing trades now. It's getting to a point where I'm not making money. You know? We all had the level in the Discord here. Anyways. So 72 is the target. How we get there is up to price action and market structure, right? It's it's not for us to decide. Imbalance in the lows here, coming back, getting rejected at volume levels here, right? Retest to previous highs is on the table for a potential bounce here. We'll see if we get it. I hate when I miss trades. Because trades take time, right? That's the thing. It's like a lot of people think, oh, you trade a lot. And it's like, no, I wait a lot. And then sometimes I fail to execute. Sometimes I don't. Trading is waiting. However, when the opportunity arises, you must be able to trade with conviction, which is the hard part. Be sure to sell wall, but took profit too early. All good though. Win is a win. Good job, MHZ. Good to see you, Blockchain Crusader, Miguel, Wayne, Ando, Goku. Let's go. Look at that, man. There's a testimonial. Thanks, Goku. I'm going to copy that and share it on Twitter. See? The real Goku. Thank you, man. That's kind, man. That's kind of you to say. This is why I show up, right? And I miss trades. This is why. Right here. Because of what Goku just said. See, it's crazy having a Super Saiyan come into your chat and say, you know, can you show me how to do a Kamehameha, Goku? I've always wanted to, like, you know, my neighbor's dog pisses on my lawn, and I got a big yellow streak on my on the snow on my front lawn. I just go, Kamehameha. Not the dog, him. The dog's not at fault. It's him. Not joking. Nice rejection here. Nice rejection. Don't worry, I took it for you. LJ, man. I noticed I trade better with everything shut down but my charts, yeah. We're looking at that right now, Django. Retest to previous highs. Just the way it's coming into the retest to previous highs is very ugly. It's rolling over quite aggressively back into the range, so it's not something I'm necessarily trying to take right now. Weekend. Yeah, that was the trade right there, guys. Idiot, man. Frustrating. Great short. Great level. Good level. I mean, you get all these levels constantly updated in the Discord. Pink box is the last day for the pink box. No more, I ain't doing a sale until, like, maybe we'll do a Bitcoin conference sale, which is April. No more sales, man. Too many people in the Discord already. The levels are not life-saving, not gonna lie. Bro, when you mentioned you compounded 1K to 100K, the maximum I would risk is 3%, and that was on swing trades, Terry. Still risking 1%, $10 to make $30, man. $10 to make $30, $30 to make $90. Steady. Show up every day for yourself. Manage your risk like a absolute Nazi, and that's how it's done, in my opinion. That's how I did it. That's the only way I know how to do it. You must be a risk management machine if you want to survive. You cannot afford to have an account, all right? You're building an account. You can't afford to have losses like this. Your losses need to look like, so if you're on a winning streak, your losses need to look like this. Lower than your wins, right? And then you can continue to compound, right? Because if you win, and then you go on a losing streak, you must be able to survive that. You don't know, even if you're like 60%, 70% hit rate, which is good. I'm like 80% hit rate, okay? But I take profits aggressively too. So there's a reason why I'm a high hit rate. I don't necessarily always hit high R multiples, okay? I typically hit a 1.5 R multiple, okay? However, I take losses like this, right? So over time, if I'm trading the setups, I win, right? And that's it, right? It's the discipline. Right through VWAP, guys. This is dumpy. We missed the short today. Yeah, we missed it, man. We had the sell wall and everything, like an idiot. Idiot. Hey Tony, what's going on, bro? I'm even working on Family Day. On Family Day. Look at this dumping. Yeah, CF was long from here in the range, yeah. He should have had the AlexOCrypto sell wall, man. If he had the sell wall, he would have been Gucci. Spoon feeding is unreal. Thanks, Kodak. I mean, 8 traders. Somebody's going to catch the trade of the day. Kyle caught the short last week. Wave Cipher caught the long last week, right? What was it? If we go into a 15-minute here, right? Kyle caught this move. I gave the setup here for this move. Wave Cipher gave the long from here. So we gave you this move. We gave you XRP. We gave you EGLD. We gave you, nonstop. It's nonstop. Solana pink box, trying to bounce here. Hold key support. Sell wall on Solana too. 1 hour order block too. Big roll over here this morning. Thank you everybody for being on the live. Have you guys been smacking those like buttons, subscribing if you're new? 200 and whatever people here. How many? 300 people in here, 93 likes. Okay, I see how it is. Right back into the range, guys. So with weekend slash no market open events, you'll typically get deviations out of the range, and then you'll come back in, and then you'll just chop in the range, trapping traders, building the liquidity again. Because all this is doing here, guys, all this is doing is building leverage traders, right? So you got leverage in here. You go up, you wreck the late shorts, you wreck the late longs, right? And then you come right back into the range, you build up the liquidity again. And then you send it, maybe you send it the same way, maybe depends on the liquidity, short side or long side, right? It's scammy at best, but if you're planning, if you have an area where you're planning, we had doji engulfing too, man. Like I just feel like a dumbass here now. Like doji engulfing, perfect setup right here. This is a beautiful candle pattern that we trade in the Discord. 3-to-1 risk to reward. AlexOCrypto is too busy in talking. Jeez. On a holiday Monday, man, we could have printed a good old like $5,000 or something on that. John Foster Crypto, my man, what's going on, bro? I gotta get you to send me a dog. And are you still gonna breed Dobermans in 3 years from now? I still gotta convince my wife that I want a Dobe, man. I've wanted a Doberman since I was a boy. Ever since that Snoop Dogg video. You know when they transform into the Dobermans? That's what got... I've always wanted a Doberman since that, man. What's my name? Right? Is that what's my name? Am I right about that? Is that what's my name? Or who am I? What's my name? Classic, man. Going to go a couple states over, so there's no possibility of inbreeding. You're a legend, bro. Thank you, John. Jeff Lurker, Deep Lurker, Case Lurker, Joshua Mallory Lurker, Noodle Slapping Lurker, man. Look at these lurkers, man. Don't say good morning. The only requirement here, really, guys, is to say good morning. Don't be a friggin' weirdo. Don't be a weirdo, man. What's my name? Let's go. Blah, 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 MexC Crypto, Randy Hipper. Yeah, open up a ticket. I can help you out with crypto payments if you want. What's going on, Blue Collar Trades? Come by the birthday stream. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Let's sing happy birthday to MexC Crypto, everybody. Let's put some cake in the chat. Cake in the chat for the lady of the hour. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You look like a monkey, and you act like one too. Woo. Happy birthday, Randy. God bless you. Thank you for all the good that you bring to crypto. And many more. We didn't even get a VWAP slap retest, man. What an absolute bastard. What a bastard. Highly manipulated market this morning, everybody. We had the sell wall. I'm going to stop talking about how we had the sell wall. We had the sell wall. Damn. We could have been one and done today, guys. Tony Soprano's 69,420 level rejection. Thank you for showing up. D Jenny from the blockchain, man. It's been a while. How you been? Block, thank you for joining. What's going on, bro? We do like printing. Trying to hold the lows here. We got bull div in here. CVD looks nasty right now. Yeah, quite nasty. Big seller up top here. No trade. Still waiting. No view up slap here. Like to see rotation down. Market cipher a little bit pushy back here, so no trade yet. Solana. Solana holding support here. Pump and dump on NASDAQ. SPY is not available today. Considering a short on Solana. Continuation down here. Depends on Bitcoin here. Bitcoin wants to continue to roll over or not. NASDAQ trying to push back. Bitcoin looks weak here. I might jump short on Solana for rotation down to the lows here. Just for a little slap and go. Bitcoin coming for liquidity. Liquidity in the lows was all the way down here. I'm short. Stop loss to entry. See if we can roll over to the lows here on Solana. Up $50. TP1 hit. I mean, we're looking all the way down here, really. Oh, come on, man. Take that. Please take that. There we go. All right. Up 150. Let's see if it wants to run. Only a quarter position size this morning, guys. It is a holly bob, as they say in the UK. Looking for Solana to roll over here. Losing support. Bitcoin losing support. We'll see. GG's in the chat. GG's in the chat. Quick scalp. I mean, just consolidation, continuation, rollover here. Weakness in Bitcoin. Clear as day. Bitcoin's got to come for these lows. So just taking the more aggressive play on Solana. On this beautiful, beautiful day. That's a lazy river trade there, guys. That's a lazy river trade. Just jumping on the stream to the downside. We'll see if it does. Oh, we get a little bounce back here, guys. A little bounce back. Retest back in. I mean, the short was up here, guys. We're late to the party both ways. Late to the party on the long, late to the party on the short. Hey, not bad movement, though. Not a bad little bowel movement this morning to the downside. Solana's coming back to stop me out, guys. That's why I took money off. Let's see if Bitcoin continues down. Bitcoin needs to come here, 68,000 in my opinion. But there's very high probability that like this thing, can come back and then come down kind of deal. Like treat this like a range, right? However, we jumped on the lazy river and we'll see if it does want to roll over, guys. That's it, man. You jump on the lazy river. That's a lot of the trading lately. Don't try to fight the trend and take profits early. That's the environment. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for being here. Hopefully you're having a beautiful, beautiful holiday. And God bless you. Thank you for supporting the channel. 340 people in here hanging out. So I'm grateful for your participation trophies here. Is everybody else short? Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. I think I'm going to get out of this trade here. Look for another retest. I'll put my stop loss a little bit lower here. See if we do. Looking for us to come down here, but like I said, we could easily come back into here, then go down. Very, very easily. Seems to be holding support here too. There we go. Yeah. Biddy rolling over? Yeah, let's go, baby. 2's in the chat. 2's in the chat. I'm gonna take that off there. I'm making $200 from this trade. That's all I gotta say. $200 a day. At least you're not at Walmart, right? That's my thought. The $200 a day trade is like, at least I'm not at Walmart, right? It's like I'm not pushing carts, man. I'm just pushing buttons still. Look, it's running away from me. At least I'm not at Walmart, right? Now it's like whatever. Do whatever you want to do. At least I'm not at Walmart. Came to the chart late. I came way late too, man. It was Valentine's. I had to perform. I'm kidding. Come on. You got oh man. The funniest thing in my life though right now is that my son, he's 17 months, and he tries to say truck and he says dick. It's hilarious. It's he goes, because he can't say truck. Truck. So he goes dick. He goes dick. So anytime a truck passes by, he's just like dick, dick, dick. Oh, it's so good, man. It's so good. Oh man. Good morning, Rashad. Good to see you, bro. I'm doing well. Thank you, man. Thank you, man. I thought your daughter was saying fuck, but she's saying frog. Oh, great. Oh, yeah. Good times, man. Good times. Living the dream, man. Nothing better. Little man's absolutely hilarious. It's so good. I assumed I've never seen anything different. Uh-oh, Dave Digital's in chat. What, is he misbehaving, everybody, already? Happy Monday, Dave. God bless you. Wick's wife, wifey. How you doing, wifey? How are you and Mr. Wick doing? My 2 favorite dinks in the world. Dinks is dual income, no kids. God bless you guys. Hopefully you're doing well. X is down. X gon' give it to you. Sorry, I couldn't resist. Is Twitter down? Let me see. Refreshing. It's probably China. China. Yeah, it is down. Yeah, it's down. So much for free speech. It's all over, guys. It's all over. I don't think Walmart pays $200 a day. US either, right? Crypto Billy in the chat. CBs, man. Let's see some CBs for Crypto Billy. He doesn't get enough love, man. He's too humble. He is the epitome of humble pie. He's the humble pie. We short Billy, naturally and trading wise, on Solana, but it doesn't want to roll over, man. It doesn't. It's not ready. It's got to come up to VWAP. I think here. I think we got to do this. That's why we took the money, $220. We'll see if it. We had to sell wall. That's okay. We'll see if it does want to roll over here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. 350 people in here. 130 likes. Today's the last day for the Valentine's sale as well, guys. So if you do want to join the Discord, use the code PINKBOX. You get $70 off. 8 traders, setup signals, 150 lessons catered to you guys, live streams nonstop, 3 updates a day. I update in the morning, update in the afternoon, and I update before Asia. I'm a bit crazy, aren't I? I don't know why I do so much, but... And that's just me. That's just me. Then you get live streams from Kyle, live streams from Brewberry, live streams from WaveCypher. When code VJJ. VJJ. That ship has sailed. That ship has sailed. We short got it. Nice, Billy. Rolling over. Why not fake everybody out in the morning and then just dump it on everybody's heads while you have the chance over the weekend? Right? Why not? That's the way you got to think, right? Like you got some Quasimodo head and shoulders here. You got liquidity below. Right? You got everybody's like, the bull run is back on. Guys, it's moved up like $2. The bull run is not back on, man. Look at this thing roll over, baby. Let's go. Beautiful. We're trying to get to 83.40. 83.40. 83.40 gives me another $100. That's a happy day. Bitcoin, China, hold on here. Needs to hold the lows. No bottom blasting, guys. No bottom blasting. Oh, push back here. I'm going to close that short out here. Flash close, done. I'm going to go and say good morning to my family. You guys, I need more coffee. The coffee break has occurred. We're going to put on the song for you guys. You know. And I'll be right back. I'll be right back. God bless you. Happy Family Day, everybody. Thank you for being here. I'll be back. That's what I need.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves. That of low casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. But a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves. That of low casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. But a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Oh, timing is impeccable. Impeccable timing. Impeccable. Impeccable. I can't believe 350 people still are here, man. You guys are crazy. You must be really bored. You guys must be really bored. We got coffee. We kissed our wife. We took a pee. We did it all. Now we're ready to go. Who else tells you all that about their lives, you know? You guys didn't need to know that I went for a pee as well. Or I went to the potty, as my son calls it. Okay, Solana rolling over. This is good trade, man. This is good continuation trade. What helps me justify getting into a trade like this, right? That's the thing that, like Alex, you're a bottom blaster. Well, you got bearish momentum and liquidity below, right? So you have a move that has been broken, right? So we identified this morning what was the issue is that we had lost this low, okay? So we had lost this area in here. We also said that this is 4-hour structure is still bullish. However, we haven't come back into our retracement area. So this gives me the idea that we can go high to low to high. This is a very cheeky level. This isn't exactly a golden pocket. The Discord knows how we found this level and what we were looking for in here. Perfect rejection, okay? Perfect rejection that we were calling from last night, right? Consolidation all the way from last night. So if you're in the Discord, you probably waited. You got excited here and you didn't short it like me. But that's the idea here is overextended, right? Everybody's all happy-go-lucky. We got 3 drives, bear divs in here, mitigation of the low, consolidation, continuation, right? Not coming back for a full retracement, also imbalance down below. So this is naturally going to be a target for this move to come back down into. Okay. Was this sufficient? Not really. You can see how we don't really have sufficient bottoming structure in here. It's just consolidation chop, right? We don't have like a sweep of the lows, nothing, right? We don't have anything to really justify these lows being safe. So this allows me to think that if we get rejected from here and we fake out, which we did, we deviated above the range, got acceptance into the range, we would look to rotate to the bottom of the range. So I'm looking for follow through here. Bitcoin showed no signs of strength. We are in a very slow, painful kind of market right now because of the pump and dumps and chop, right? So Solana in here, we got short right in here. We had chop and then rollover, right? So what I was looking for is for this thing to develop a range, which it did, and then give us a little sweep up here and continuation down. We could also see that Bitcoin was rolling over, which gives us the confidence to take this trade as well. So you can see here, Bitcoin does not even come up. This is pure weakness, right? So one of our strategies we do teach is an aggressive move through VWAP is bearish or bullish. We didn't even retest the VWAP. We tweezer topped and we rolled over, right? So just looking for follow through. Aggressive take profits, right? When we're not shorting into key areas like this or in here, we must be very aggressive with our take profits due to the fact that we are late here. We are late. Okay. So good trade. Up to 250 for the day already. So happy start to a I mean, I was scalping over the weekend. I was on the naughty list, guys. I was scalping over the weekend too. We had a little. If I was gonna be honest, I was playing Diablo 2. I hadn't played Diablo 2 in so long. 240 for the start of the morning. That's my last trade. 0216. Okay, 0216 in the morning. Nothing else before that. 0215. Always showing the trades, taking the trades. I can withdraw my funds. You guys know the deal. Making crypto honest again. Okay? That's what it's all about. A lot of people come on here and tell you they're fucking superstar traders. They don't show you their losses. They don't show you what they do. They don't show you that they can withdraw their funds. They're trading with fake money. There's a bunch of them. I will not name names. I don't care to. I'm just saying. Learn from people who are doing it the right way. Because everybody in this stream wants to quit their job and become a full-time day trader. Everybody here does. Otherwise, you wouldn't be listening to my fucking ass because I'm not that special or important. I'm just here doing it. I'm here doing it. I think people come here because I'm here. I'm in the trenches trying to do it with you guys. Fake money. It's true, man. I have had so many offers. Crypto changed me. I've had so many offers from exchanges saying, "Hey, man, we'll give you we'll give you an account. It looks exactly the same as a regular account. You can trade it live, and the only thing you can't do is show them that you can't withdraw the funds." Right? I'm telling you, they will let you trade, and it'll look exactly like exactly like they're trading, but they can't withdraw it. That's the only thing. So many exchanges offer you to do that, and then you can post your P&Ls and show your $300-400 billion profits in your trade because you have no emotions because you don't give a shit about the money, right? I guess I'm. Shh, don't tell them. Don't tell them. Shh, don't tell them we do this. Who's we, man? Anyways, don't get me on tilt on Family Day, guys. Don't get me on tilt. Don't do it, man. Don't do it. We're here to have fun. It's a good day today. It's a family day. I'm working. Discord people, we're going to we're gonna go live right after the stream today because it's a short day. I'm not teaching as well because it's a holiday. But we're here trading. Bleeding out here. Is it possible to copy trade me? I don't do copy trading. I live trade in the Discord with no delay with my screen up. Right? Right? I live trade with the Discord. I mean, the Discord has signals setups, all that stuff too, right? Like, I mean, you get all my charts, all my key levels. You get my super charts. We shorted this morning, Constantine, and now we're just chilling. I closed it before I went for coffee. Holiday, did Canada become the first? It's Canada Day, and it's not President's Day in Canada. It's Family Day, they call it. I missed the FJ dash long. That was insane, man. What was that? 6,000% on his trade? That was insane. I mean, he just banged a couple other good trades too. What are you guys posting in here? The gang, man. The gang. That's it, Grayson. This thing's dumping this morning, guys. Look at it. Rolling over. Solana rolling over. Great short. Great short. Beautiful trade. Some of you guys still long or still short, sorry. What's going on, Squid? Good to see you. Look at my handyman comment above. You can't pass the prop? You can pass the prop, Dave. You can pass the prop. I can't see that. I'm not going to search for your comment all day. Sorry, Piper. I love you, bro. A little bit of life here on Bitcoin. Bottom of the range, guys. Bottom of the range. So we're back into the range, chopping the range. A little bit of excitement this morning, though. Perfect sell wall. Now we look for some sort of. We need to see this logo. I said logo. Logo, not logo. Okay, we need to see this liquidity taken. Could we? Absolutely. It's just the momentum has died to the downside, so now we look for retracement. Okay, so you can jump on momentum, right? Lazy river trade here. You get on your lazy river raft, right? You jump on here. You're sitting on your beautiful lazy river riding this puppy down. Ooh. The lazy river, there's some fat chick in front of you now, right? Like you got Chunkalina. We'll call her Chunkalina, and she's here, and she's sitting here, and she's just spinning, right? She's sitting here, and You're like, girl, you gonna move or what? And then when she exits the pool, all of a sudden you get you the tide rises, you know. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So right now we chopping. So we got bull divs, we got balloon dog. So we wait. We wait. This is waiting zone, right? Rounding bottom, waiting zone. Opportunity to potentially long, because we do have liquidity up in here, up in here. Okay, we are holding the lows. But let Chunkalina, let the pool boy over here, he's got his big pimp daddy cane, and let him pull out Chunkalina, right? He's got his big ass stick here with the hook, right? He's like, all right, I got you, girl. Come on. Yeehaw. And he's trying to pull this girl up, this Calgary Stampede style, right? He's like, "Arr." Maybe he needs some help from his friend too, right? Like, you got like a couple of employees here, right? It's like he thought the equalization payments would work, and having all three ladies trying to pull out Hugh Hefner here. A huge heifer. I'm sorry. The Hugh Hefner, right? And they're all trying to pull together. I can't group them. Can I group them here? Yeah. And they're all, they're trying to get her out. So you got to pull her up to like here, right? And then they'll pull them out manually. So this is waiting zone. This tells me that I need to be patient here. This tells me, where am I looking? Oh, VWAP. Okay, so can we round up? Can we push here? Could I take this up to here? Yes, but I'm against trend now because we've taken this low. So, imbalance, retest, continuation trade. However, if we establish a high up here, then we can look for a higher low and continuation back up to VWAP. So there's a couple options here. So, but our job here is to wait. Okay. Our job here is to wait. Technically, the tide retreats for the tsunami, right? My handyman asked me to trade his invoice payment this week. He got a 50% boost to his invoice. No way. Nice, bro. Nice, man. Thank you for that 10%. I'm going to stop trading now so I don't give it away. GG's, LJ. You took the short from up top. Good job, man. Good job, man. I mean, perfect sell wall. Sell wall, doji, and golf. I mean, this is the bread and butter of the Discord. No. But this is as good as it gets, man. What is your reaction in the sell wall? Doji engulfing candle. You short this candle all day long, stop loss above the high. That's like primo. That is primo scalping setup. And look how well it plays. Instant paycheck, man. I love an instant paycheck. Right? Damn. Down it goes, man. Order block retest continuation down. This thing's nasty, man. It's going to come back. It's got to come to 67, in my opinion. So we've been looking for it all weekend, and it didn't come to 67. You know, you go over to the TA section over here, AlexOCrypto, and I'm looking 67, guys. The sell wall's been there all weekend too, right? That sell wall has been there. We pushed up here. Now we're down here, and we're looking for 67, 420. All you smokers, right? We're prepared. Prepared trader. Good morning. Is there a video on trading the first move? Maybe I was dreaming. I have sworn. Order block video. Aldo. Order block video. I think we just did it recently. The first move. The first tap is the best tap, right? So like with an order block, you look at this one, right? It's right here. Your first is the best, right? So this is a little order block in here. Your first tap is the best test, right? So you tap it, any move, right? Because if you think about it, an order block, unless it's like unless an hourly order block, like a 30-minute order block and up kind of deal, an order block's going to be there. Price is going to create the order block and move away from it, right? What's going to happen is going to come in, because this isn't, think of it as an order, like a big-ass whale was shorting here, and he's still got a short in here, right? So the big-ass whale, we got Free Willy up in here, right? Happy Free Willy, right? So he's hanging out up here. It looks like a sperm. It's a sperm whale, okay? He's waiting up in here with his order. He wants to be filled. So the market maker will send price back into this order block and fill him and then send it in the opposite direction. That's why order blocks, they're magnetic, okay? They're magnetic. They're attracting price. So when price is attracted, it's only going to come in for a brief stint, right? So your setup should be to enter here. Your invalidation should be at the top of the order block. We have a little trick that I'm not going to teach you because we teach it in the Discord to how to protect your stop loss here. And then you're going to rotate out of that, right? Okay. So free Sperm Willy here, right? He's always ready. But the first test is always the best test, right? It's always the best test. Keep it simple. I thought you were drawing a kangaroo at first. Guys, it's happy little candles, man. It's always happy little candles. It's always a happy little candle. Don't, it's a happy little candle, guys. It's just a happy little candle. Happy trees. Happy candles. Yeah, buddy. Oh, did I just crash my Discord? What's the trick Alex is talking about? It's a stop loss trick, Tribal. Stop loss trick. Bob Ross is the GOAT. Have you guys ever seen the Bob Ross conspiracy theory that he would paint pictures of where he killed his victims? You guys ever see that? I heard something about that match. That's pretty trippy, man. There's some conspiracy about I don't know if it's true. I haven't watched it. I just heard about it. He's got that personality, if you've watched Bob Ross, pretty interesting. All right, chop at the bottom here. We got a little bit of a range deviation. We have taken the liquidity out of the lows, consolidating sideways. I would expect this to come back into here. At minimum. Then we're looking at this fair value gap. So I would expect it to come up for now. If you're short, good job. Make sure you pay yourselves accordingly, depending on your strategy. We're gonna F off this pink box, guys. The pink box is not performing on Solana. It did. We had a pink box here all weekend. So this was good. It played. Now we look for yeah, we've lost 86 again. Oh, we could easily go down to 81 so easily. If we lose this in here, this guy here, if we lose these guys in here, we're gone. We're gone to zero. I'm kidding. So the range is a little bit different on a lot of these. One thing that, is interesting to see is that we did have an altcoin, I guess, surge. An altcoin surge. I need to know how to get rid of these drawings sometimes. So the interesting thing about this is that altcoins had a surge over the weekend, right? And This is where crypto F's you up, man. And they've taken the liquidity out of the high. Bitcoin has not done this. Bitcoin's still hanging out down here. Okay? So generally what this does is this gives you expectational order flow of this thing to make a higher low and continue up to here, right? Because you have broken the high here, you've pushed up to here, you look for retracement continuation. But it hasn't happened on Bitcoin. So this is where people get effed up, right? If Bitcoin is daddy, right? Bitcoin's daddy. We can all agree on that. Then who are we going to listen to? Are we going to listen to Dada? Right? Or are we going to listen to Mama? Right? Because we haven't taken the highs here. 72 is still not safe. Okay? But to me, this tells me we're coming here. Minimum. And if we come here, well, where are they defending right now, everybody? 67. What is 67? 68, sorry. What is 68? 68 is a range low. Okay? It has been. Right? Everybody's drawing PO3s here. Manipulation, distribution. And distribute this. This is like basic range theory, right? Basic range theory. If we lose this, right? So this is a breakout retest. Can we hold here? If we can, then we rotate here. And the higher term time frames, like the 4 hour, right? Prevail. The 4 hour prevails. Why does the 4 hour prevail? Because we have no low in here, guys. Here's our low. There's no low in here. This is now our low, wherever this ends up. Right? If I'm on a 1 hour, this is a low. This is a low. This is a low. Okay? So we have high, low, high, low, high, low, high, break, lower high. Expectational order flows back down to here. Right? On a 4 hour, it looks like this. We just have a high. Okay? So can we put in a higher low on the higher term time frames and get going? Right? So you must be aware of these things. You must also understand that this is macro support. Right in here. Macro support. Right? Zoom out. Top-down analysis. Big-ass support. You see our Piper's volume nipple right here. 68,000. Macro support. Not so itty-bitty support. Not local support. Macro support. Big difference. Okay? So we look for macro support to hold up price. Will it do it? Who knows? That's why we use the shorter term time frames to take advantage of this. Back to the 12-minute. Right? So now we understand. Big macro energy down here. A low. Can we bottoming structure in here and get going? And look to rotate up to 72? Or do we need to come a little bit lower? If we don't take our look left confluence, thank you, Kyle, LLC. If we don't look left and build out our chart accordingly, right? We're gonna be in here with our microscope, right? With our little micro penis trades, zooming in, flashbang. And you won't see the forest through the trees, right? You'll be in here with your microscope trying to look at price and like, oh my God, we're pumping. Oh my God, we're dumping. And you're going to be left behind, right? As traders, our job is to take as much information from the top and the bottom and the left and find key levels that we can trade. Why do we do this? To increase the percentage we win. That's all. That's all. Taking trades from key levels, because everybody's agreeable, everybody's looking at this level, there's a higher probability of us succeeding. That's it. Which means we're going to be wrong sometimes. We're going to be wrong. This is why you must manage your risk. Must. If you don't, great traders, some of them only have like 40% win rates. It's about how you manage your risk and how you have R multiples, right? It's a very, very, you versus you. Good times. We would have market open in 8 minutes, but there's no market open today, guys. I just came on because, I love hanging out with you guys on Family Day. No, I show up every day, guys. I'm grateful to be here. Thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel, smacking up like buttons. Last day for the Discord sale for the Valentine's pink box. Join the Discord. 8 traders, set up signals, all that good stuff. There's the spiel. Thank you for being here. We'll see what goes on. What is your pink box? The pink box is the pink box, man. It's the best box. It's the only pink box in the world that pays you. Why is market open so important if crypto is 24/7? Because you got to think of the market cap, right? You got to think about how much money is being exchanged during market open, right? If you have an inflow in the S&P 500 and you have your Mag 7 and you have gold and you have, futures all opening up and everybody's participating at that single time, right? Then the effect it's going to have on the market is astronomical, right? Therefore, if I'm trading Bitcoin and Solana, which I do every day, right? I want price to move. This to me is like molasses, right? I need volume to come in. I need people exchanging money. I need buyers and sellers, right? I need liquidity in order to enter and exit positions, right? If I trade $1 million position sizes at times. So if I don't have the liquidity to enter and exit, it's pointless. I'm sitting there and getting slippage, right? Also, you get bigger moves, right? So if I get whatever, if I got short here and this was market open, right? And you get some bad news, you could get an absolute killer trade, right? An absolute banger where we've hit 10K trades on the live show, right? But it's because we take the high probability trade setup and we have the volume that sends it to, Neverland or whatever, right? So if the SPY is going to open and we're going to see Tesla pre-market, is going to pump, and we see Robinhood, right? Bart Simpson going to dump, right? We can take advantage of those things because, guys, the market cap of crypto is so puny, man. I mean, where are we at? What's total at? 2.3 trillion. It's a joke, man. That's like a fart, right? That's why I look at the SPY in the morning. That's why I see, okay, what's the bias for the day? How are we gapping? Where are we looking to go, right? If the SPY is bouncing up, right, for the day and it's looking to come for the liquidity of the lows in here, and we gap up and we grab those lows, where are we coming next? Well, we're coming back to the gap. We'll fill the gap and then we can look. And if it's doing that, well, what is Bitcoin going to do, right? That's why I look at the NASDAQ, right? Look at this, NASDAQ. Let's overlay Bitcoin. Let's take a look at it, right? Look how strong this has been lately, guys. This has been ridiculously good. Look at this, right? One typically front runs the other, but look, if you can build a bias, last week was incredibly killer, man. Incredibly killer, right? If you can build the bias, look at this. You got the bias for a short here. You take that down. Woo, there goes Bitcoin, right? Bottoming structure, push up, right? Oh, rejection. You think Bitcoin's just a sole entity? It decouples at times. But it's not really it's not unique, right? So we wait for market open because volume, volatility, liquidity, price action, it all comes into the violent, fun, electric Most electrifying man in all. Joe candy ass. Oh, the good old days, man. When Dwayne Johnson wasn't a weirdo. Damn, that Solana short, guys. Great trade, man. Great trade. Coming for the lows right now, trying to bounce. One trade today up $250. We'll see where we get to, guys. Thank you for being here. A little pump and dump to start the day. Thank you for supporting the channel, hanging out. God bless every single one of you guys. Electric Boogaloo. No problem, Rudy. Slippage is bad, yeah. I mean, especially when, I get like, if I trade weekends and there's slippage, I can have like $2,000 worth of slippage. It's disgusting. We do have the Bitunix sale AlexOCrypto exclusive is still on, guys. If you do want a good exchange, someone just said they're trading on BTC and they're shook. We have an AlexOCrypto exclusive deal, guys. 6 months, VIP 3, 6 months, 30% off discount, deposit bonuses, free money, all that good stuff. I have a good rep, so if you ever have any issues, you can open up a ticket. I'll be glad to get you helped, or if you're having withdrawal fees. Someone was having withdrawal fees, and they had 11 accounts. Like, what do you think is going to happen, man? 11 accounts or something crazy like that. Just don't be a degenerate, but, you know, I can help you as much as possible. I have a good rep and a great discount. I never shill exchanges. I've never shilled exchanges until I had this deal. I actually asked them and sacrificed my fees so that you guys could get the best deal. So use the Bitunix link down below and you'll get VIP for 6 months. KSEX, I would never trade on KSEX, man. There's a reason why KSEX is dirt cheap. Because they have no proof of reserves. They have slippage. They have withdrawal problems. Just like MexC. I would never touch that with Steve Hickeys and French Toaster pushing. You know? Never touch that exchange, man. Go and try and go and ask them for their proof of reserves. That's the first thing you do with any exchange. It's disgusting. Ding, 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 ding. That's not open. It's not open. 9:30. Market open. Let's go. Water. Gang, gang, gang. SPY. Flat. No gap. No gap here on the SPY. Just flat, guys. All right, we have the NASDAQ rolling over here, guys. Solana needs to come down to these lows. Nice short this morning, everybody. Let's continue to kick ass and take names. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live show. Okay. It's, market's not open, guys. Oh, man, I got into it a little bit there. That's all I got. Prop firms, that issue we dealt with on my exchange last weekend would never have been resolved in KSX. Exactly, right? Exactly. Like, I have a good rep. He figures it out. He'll tell you what's going on. And then we can go from there, right? I have a responsive rep who's, you know, who will help out the community. He's in the Discord. He, you know, the last thing you want is an exchange that already takes your money to take more money, all right? The last thing you do want as well is an exchange that when you make money doesn't let you keep your money, right? Trading's hard enough. You don't need to deal with that stuff, man. I wish the market was open today, yeah. prop firm wise, prop firms they're all a bit sketchy. Klein Funding is trying to do a deal with me right now. I gotta test it out, man. I mean, it's a bit sketchy. I've used Breakout Prop. The UI sucks on Breakout Prop, right? It's decent, but the UI sucks for a Breakout Prop. Also talked to CryptoFace about another one. Face and I were talking about another prop firm as well. What were we talking about? What's the name of it here? So I got to check out that one too. Bitfunded as well. It's laggy. Bitfunded, yeah, it's laggy. So I got a Bitfunded link as well. CryptoFace and I were talking about that. Yeah. No market open today, guys. So a little bit of slow motion. We're going to go hang out in the Discord after this and maybe do some lessons for the Discord. So all Discord members, please bring your questions so that we can address them. Things that you're struggling with. So that I can help you guys navigate the issues that you're having with your trading. We do live streams every day. We analyze your trades if you want. We can take a look at your setups, your ideas. I think we got to go over. Ace wanted us to do price action, a price action walkthrough on scalping. So we're going to do that today. We'll talk about price action in depth and then go from there. I think that was one of the main questions today. So we're going to do a lot of price action today, which is good. Price action's king, right? It's always, guys, it's volume, price action, which makes up market structure, which hunts liquidity. It's the simplest thing in the world. If you do not understand volume and price action, makes up your market structure, that is hunting liquidity. This is the basics. You must understand this stuff. You must. This is a must. Like, there's no way you should be trading if you don't understand what's going on in the market. This is hieroglyphics, okay? You do not speak Egyptian. You are not doing the na-na-na-na-na. Okay, you don't know until you know. You got to watch. I highly suggest if you don't know this, you go on your short-term time frame, your shortest one, maybe it's a 1 minute. Heck, maybe it's a 5 second. You turn on volume and you watch this shit. Just watch it, man. What is this telling me right now? What are we looking at? Okay, right? Double top, rollover, order block tap. Okay, imbalance order block, retracement, low, high, looking for price to come into here, continue upwards. However, if we do take this high, we're looking for a retest continuation up. Right? I must understand how this moves. Right? Volume coming in, price getting bid up. Retest to previous highs, continuation up, looking to grab the liquidity of the highs, failure to do so. Imbalance down below, right? Higher lows all the way through here. If we lose this, we're coming here. If we hold this, we're coming here. This is a flat, no trade zone. I'm looking for this, or I'm looking for this. Right? Higher lows holding. Continuation out. Hanging man engulfing candle. Trying to push out on this pattern right here. Higher high. Trying to continue. Swift rejection coming back for late longs. Losing momentum. Momentum being lost. Coming back. Sweeping the lows. Liquidity sweep. Can it close back within the range? The range is up here. Closing back within the range long. Long continuation trade. Or is it a retest of previous lows? Right, so these are the things you must watch, right? And this is 5 seconds, guys. Like, we're picking this apart like absolute degenerates. But That's what you must watch, right? And look at it here, right? This is nothing, right? This is nothing. However, if you don't know how to interpret that, how are you going to interpret anything else, right? This is the language you must learn. Who wants to just go and play some Diablo 2 at this point? I do. You see there's a 30-year anniversary edition here. We're going to go play some Diablo now on the live stream. Anybody else play D2? Put a 1 in the chat. Nice pushback here. Game and trade. We could game and trade. Let's go on BattleNet. You guys want to see my characters? Dude, these are old, man. You guys want to see my Diablo characters? I haven't. Oh, that sound is so good. Guys, you're going to have an orgasm. So I've been playing Warlock, the new one. You guys want to see my... All right. For all you Diablo fans out here, you want to see my characters? It's a 94 hammered in. CTA, Hoto, Spirit, Enigma, Arax. This is my magic find. All right, that's my magic find. All right. Who else? Queen Moose. You want? Oh, Queen Moose, baby. You guys are gonna have a little bit of an orgasm when you see this one. This is my other one. I call my wife Moose, by the way. We got Titan's Revenge, Enigma, Griffin's Eye, Spirit. We also have a Phoenix offhand, Call to Arms, Doom Grips, Razor Tail, War Travs, Cow Level. If you know, you know. If you know, you know, right? Anyways. This is the yeah. Anyways. Good times, man. Good times, man. I play CS too sometimes. I don't game like I used to. Maybe one day we'll do like a gaming. We'll do like a big we'll do a gaming stream and do some giveaways and stuff like that. Solana SFP bounce. Possible pushback here on Solana. Something like this. It's just range lows, guys. Like, we're looking at that. This is really splitting hairs for trading, guys. It's not something I typically... Yeah, it's pretty nasty. Close trades on Bitfunded. The wick overshoots on press. I sent them a screenshot, long email, and affect drawdowns. Yeah, that's no good. Game and trade. You shouldn't trade and drive. You shouldn't game and trade. Nerd. Yeah, man. Well, you can say that when we play golf in March, bro. Call me a nerd. Oh, what's going on, Fly? How you doing, bro? Mr. Dan. My new goal is we're gonna get Dan to 2,000 subscribers, guys. Let's do it. This is my new goal. This is my new life goal. If you guys want to go over here, we'll do a giveaway today, guys. We're gonna do a giveaway for Dan the man here. Let's go over to his most recent video. Comment Otter Gang in the chat. Like the video. Subscribe, please, to Dan. We're going to do a giveaway to the Discord. Then we're going to go into the Discord after this. Do the giveaway. Go over to this video. Comment Otter Gang. All right. If I win, I'm keeping the money. Otter Gang, gang, gang. Let's go. Go over here. Like, subscribe, please. Thank you for being here on this beautiful holiday, Family Day in Canada, President's Day in America. Very grateful for you guys hanging out. God bless you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel. It means a lot. Go over here and support fellow content creators like Dan. Dan the man. He's my twin. My new goal. Otter Gang in the chat. Let's go, baby. Subscribe, baby. Let's go. Let's go. We'll see if we can get them to 2,000 by the time we visit. I worked on the Diablo 4 trailers and cinematics. Nice. Nice. Then you must love my Javazon. I'd love to give you a game of golf one day. Hey, man, I would love to go out and play some whack fuck. I love golf, man. I'm a big sports junkie. Like, I play everything, but, like, I know that I've hit peak. You know, I'm 36 this year. I know I'm on the downhill, right? So for me, it's like I want to play a sport until I'm a dinosaur, right? Like, so golf is a good investment. Like, over time, I think I will lose a lot of money playing golf, but it will be the longest sport. I ain't going to be one of those fruitcakes who play pickleball. I'm sorry. Like, play tennis, man. Pickleball's fun. Yeah. I ain't going playing like paddle spank you ball, right? Like, if you're playing pickleball, this is what I think of you right here. This is you and your wife. You and your wife, you sleep in separate beds. This is you. You're a pickleball. This is what I think of you if you play pickleball, okay? Pickleball. Oh, my God. It's all in the name. I snowboard, so that's lifelong too, yeah. You play pool? I'm pretty decent at pool. The golf gang. Chess is not. Are we talking sports here, or are we talking F tennis? Yeah, because you don't like running. That's why. Watch your back with golf. I mean, I was a carpenter for 15 years, Al, so my back has been broken for at least the last 10 years. But no, back's strong, man. Back is strong. Byron Nelson, Otter Gang meetup. We can do an Otter Gang meetup. I'm going to Vegas. If you guys want to do a meetup, we can do a meetup. You guys can all throw me on my midget tossing booth. If you guys want to throw a midget, I'll do the booth. I'm a big ping pong guy too. Is it worth trading today? No, it's not. It's not worth trading. It's not. Guys, have we all gone and subscribed to TradeFly today? I don't see enough subscriptions, guys. What are we at here? 860? 860? This got to be 870. 870. All right. 51 comments. Come on, a little bit better, guys. We're going to do a giveaway. 2 months membership. 2 months membership or $50 for any of our community members. So you just go over there, comment, like, subscribe. When Vegas? April 27th. You can come and chuck me in chess boxing. They should do chess, but like every move, you get to slap the other person sitting down. Table tennis is full-size tennis for Alex. Absolutely. I have to run in table tennis, bro. I actually have to run and dive. You know what's the most annoyingest part, Sniper's Nightmare? When you're playing table tennis, right? So you got your table tennis table here. You got your net, right? And you got Alex here whose chin barely gets above the height. I hold my racket up here kind of deal, right? My chin is like level with the... You know what's the most annoying part is when the little ball, right? That's a horrible ball. Let's draw a ball, okay? When the ball, right, goes dunk, 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 and you hit it and it goes into the net, dunk, 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 and then it sits right here. I can't get it, guys. I can't. I got to jump on the table. Like when the ball's sitting right here, I can't. Guys, I legit can't get it. I got to like jump and roll it back to me. Or I have to go like AlexOCrypto has to go around the side of the table, get the ball, come back, then serve it. It's legit my problem. It's legit. It's true, guys. It's so true. Oh man. Fuck, we talk a lot of shit here, don't we? Nice pump here for Bitcoin. Let's do the giveaway, man. You guys all subscribe to Dan over here, TradeFly, yeah. Oh man. Thank you for subscribing to my bestie, man. Let's go over to comment picker here. Oh. I'll still whoop your ass in table tennis, though. And you got to say, when I whoop your ass in table tennis, you got to go, this guy beat me. He couldn't even get the ball back when it was at the net. Ladies and gentlemen, JRMO, it's in the game. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Yeah, let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Mr. Germo. Germo Crypto. Congratulations on your win. Love seeing you guys win, man. Love it. I love it. You did not just send me that, Geo. Geo just sent me something inappropriate. Guys, and all the mods, don't show anybody this, but Geo just sent me this new GIF. Sniper, Tony Soprano. They just sent me a new GIF. It's probably my favorite GIF I've ever seen in my life. Oh, man. Consolidation here, guys. What are you guys doing in the family chat? You guys are licking windows? Rusty okay. Pump and dump here, rotation down. This is coming down, guys. This is coming down. NASDAQ, NASDAQ's got a bit of relief in it. This looks like it's going to dump. After some manipulation like this looks like it needs to come here. 67. Yeah. Oh, man. Tradefly, are you in there too? Yeah, Tradefly can see it too. Added it to the favorites. I can't show it, guys. Dutch would have loved that. Yeah. Yeah, he would have. Man, all the mods are in here today. Guys, God bless you guys. I got to give you guys some money, don't I? No, January, February, March. March. I give you guys money March. I'll give you guys all a bunch of money because I love you guys. I'm not professional at all, Jojo. I take trades. I click 2 buttons. I try to show you what I do, man. You know that, Jojo. I'm a carpenter, man. I wish I was more of that. Like, I'm a YouTuber. I'm professional. I'm here to help you change your life. You guys can make it. Like, you're probably not gonna make it. Like, I'm not talking to you, Jojo, at all specifically, but most people here are not gonna make it. You're gonna quit. Trading is the most emotional, hardest bullshit in the world, man. Like, you're going to cry. You're going to cheer. You're going to tear. You're going to break shit. You're going to... And then if you continue a little bit further, you might have a chance. Dakota's pink box if you want the Discord discount. It's the last day for it. Last day to join the Discord for the first month, $70. You can try it out. But you're probably not going to survive. There's so many times. Ask my wife how many times I'm like, I'm fucking done. I'm quitting. This is bullshit. It was so many times. I'd make 5,000, I'd lose 5,000. Blow up the account, right? You make 10,000, you lose 10,000. Blow up the account, right? Like, oh my God. Right? It's this, right? Right? Oh, first profits. They always get you with the first one's always free. Then you lose all those profits. That was me. I shorted Bitcoin up 10K on a $1,000 account. Shorted Solana cross margin, liquidated. Right? Started to trade okay. Woo, I'm going to quit my job. Yee, look at me go. I'm profitable over 3 months. Woo, 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 woo. What have I done? It's all gone. I'm gone. It's gone, right? And I would say people do this about 3 times minimum. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Then it's about risk management, strategy, and working on your damn thinking, mindset. But you can't work on your mindset, guys. How are you going to be confident in a trade if you haven't managed your risk and you haven't implemented a strategy? I yell at people all the time in the Discord. Forget about your mindset. Have you back tested? Are you taking high probability trades? Are you managing your risk? Are you risking 1% per trade? If you're not this is the basics, guys. If you're not doing that, you don't deserve to have this. Right? Keeping it simple, very important. Right? Shit ain't easy, man. Ain't easy. It's a privilege to be a profitable trader. Anybody can come here and click buttons. There's no requirement. There's no diploma. There's no degrees. Thermometers have degrees. Do you know where you put thermometers? Right up your arse. Right? I'm a carpenter who clicks buttons now. Right? And it's meant to be hard, and it's meant to piss you off, and it's meant to make you like, this is bullshit and it's not working. It's going to be like that for a while. But can you carry on? Can you show up for yourself? Can you manage your risk? Can you be disciplined in your life? Can you be disciplined in other areas of your life? Right? Can you be committed to learning a craft and implementing that craft? Not just being like, ooh, fancy green candle. Let's go long. Right? Right? Time in the markets. You need to invest in that. What's going on, LBC? Good to see you, bro. God bless you. Chart looks like it's going to fake out long, then dump. Well, like we talked about, right? It's a 4-hour time frame versus the others, right? So is the 4-hour time frame, is this sufficient enough for a low for the 4-hour time frame? I would say we have to come here. We have low, high, low. I don't know if this is established though. This is a break. This is a retest. This is a dump. We should expect us to come down, right? Whether we come up here, then come down. Whether we come up here, then come down. Whether we sweep and come down. This expectational order flow is down, right? We have liquidity. Sweep of the low minimum. Minimum. Right? 3 drives. But we know why we're holding here. We all talked about this at the beginning. This is macro support. This is a huge support level. That's why. Typically with this, they will send it sideways for so long, and then they need the oomph. Right? They need the oomph to shoot it down. And then it's typically V-shaped recovery, and then off you go. We want a long here. We want to look for shorts here, depending on price action. Okay. Okay. It is painful. It's meant to be painful. Because it's you versus you. It's you versus you. And greed will get in the way. Ego will get in the way. Heck, I mean, I was up 40 grand at the start of the month. Guess what happened? Big old 20K, 30K loss, whatever, battled back. Like it's part of it. It's horrible sometimes. It's horrible sometimes. And then it's incredible. Like, yeah, I clicked I clicked a button, and within 3 minutes, I made $250 right here. Like, who cares, right? That's my day if I want, right? Happy days. Happy days, sad days, hard days, wanting to quit days. It's all part of it. It's the only job that takes your money. That's it. Guys, it's Randy Hipper's birthday. Normally I send you to the Piper Academy, but it's Randy Hipper's birthday. Please go over there, throw some otters in her chat. Go over there, throw some otters in her chat. Discord, I'm going to go live right after this. I'm going to get some coffee, and then we're going to go over some price action stuff, and it's a good day to study. So let's do it. God bless you guys. Thank you guys for being here. We'll be here live tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you for subscribing, liking, join the Discord, all those good things, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Birthday to him, please. Guys, I'm 23 and I can't believe I'm freaking 23. I was 17 yesterday.
Pocket fat with a chip slow. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolio's taking well over except.